it's about to start. We just arrived here, excited, very greenery.
Daming payo. Ay, basa. Wow, ang ganda dito.
With lots of trees, plants, and flowers.
And the birds.
I think for their security, that's why they would end up here. The food was yummy. This is baked fish. Everybody has a full tummy and us in a food coma, ready to sleep. Guys, it's beautiful here. Relaxing. You can see over there the tree house with umbrellas and lots of trees. Yeah, you can do a lot of things here. And you can choose also table weight, curtains. Wow, it's a family-friendly cafe, so you can bring your family friends along with you here. You'll certainly have something a lot of fun to do here. And that way is another entrance. Wow, look at this tree house. Stunning. The bakery here. Touring this place, let's check it out. As I get older, I am moving forward slowly. Another reception here. Wow, stunning. It's beautiful, but empty. I guess mostly people will come here at night. It must be beautiful at night because of the light.
Ha? Oh, ang ganda to sa gabi.
Another entrance here.
Magdoyan. Kitag sa ta. Kuhanan, oh. Kuha tayo ng picture. Oy! Kasi kuha mo ko dyan ako. Abang nagsisisa. Wow! Laan. Oy, mas ba nisi dyan tamdang anak? Kat, sige bye. Oo na ka. Takot. Tinatangin ko po. Nandito kami sa puno.
We are now at the tree house. What a huge and tall tree.
Aba, asan ka? Sa bahay ninyo kasi ano, sabi mo nga, asang bahay? Sa balitaan. Ay, pangit doon ka. Hindi na ako makabalhin na kasi. Oo, pag ano lang ka, oh, lalarga na yung ano, diyan ka lang. Wow. Frisco. Frisco dito. Ganda. Buti nga ngayon malamig.
Shout out to these two ladies. They are part of our birthday photo. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.